Ibernex laundry management solution speeds up the identification and distribution processes of your center. Based on RFID technology and tags stuck to the clothes, it allows to assign them different states inside the process, having an accurate control of the situation of the garments at each moment. Besides, it facilitates the subsequent clothes classification that can be made based on colors and rooms. Thanks to our solution, count number of washes, make inquiries, massive and automatic searches and readings, etc., avoiding the loss of clothes. The system optimizes employees' work and avoids additional expenses, automating processes related with the identification, classification, tracking and distribution of clothes.